How to use second router as Wi-Fi extender. First, check if your second router supports bridge mode, repeater mode, or access point mode. This information can usually be found in the router's manual. Connect your computer to the second router using an Ethernet cable or via Wi-Fi to access the router's settings. Open a web browser and enter the router's IP address, such as 192.168.0.1 or 192.168.1.1. Log in with the admin username and password. If you don't have these, check the router's manual or the label on the router. Go to the wireless or network settings and enable bridge or repeater mode to extend your Wi-Fi signal. Configure the second router to connect to your main router's Wi-Fi network by entering the SSID and password. Save the settings and reboot the second router. It will now act as a Wi-Fi extender. If bridge mode isn't available, configure the second router as an access point by setting a static IP address and disabling DHCP. Connect one of the LAN ports on your main router to one of the LAN ports on the second router using an Ethernet cable. Save the settings and reboot both routers. Check your extended Wi-Fi coverage and signal strength in areas that previously had weak Wi-Fi. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more tech tips.